In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best belt sanders available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the belt sanders mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Cordless Belt Sander for MAKITA 18V Battery. This lightweight, cordless belt sander is ideal for home DIY enthusiasts. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers powerful and efficient sanding with variable speed control from 270 to 760 RPM for precise work. The included dust bag ensures a cleaner workspace, while the ergonomic design minimizes fatigue during extended use. Compatible with MAKITA 18V batteries, it's perfect for portability and convenience in any home project. Available now at a 10% discount for $45.89. Number 4, Allsome Mini Belt Sander, electric versatile, perfect for home DIY tasks. The Allsome Mini Belt Sander features a powerful 180W motor and a no-load speed of 7,000 RPM for fast, efficient sanding. Its variable speed control ensures precision for every project, and it's compatible with MAKITA 18V batteries for added convenience. Compact yet versatile, it's ideal for small projects requiring detailed sanding. Don't miss the 52% discount, bringing the price down to just $87.31. Number 3, Multifunction Belt Sander with Brushless Motor, designed for commercial manufacturing. This multifunction belt sander is a robust tool for professional projects. It offers adjustable deflection, forward/reverse rotation, and vertical/horizontal operation. A fixed-angle worktable supports sharpening and cutting tasks, while the stepless speed control with digital display ensures precision. Built for high performance, this tool guarantees durability and efficiency. Grab it now at a 58% discount for $205.39, ideal for professionals and workshops. Number 2, Tungfull 7-Speed Adjustable Mini Electric Belt Sander. This compact belt sander from Tungfull is a must-have for home DIY enthusiasts. Its full stainless steel body resists rust, and the 7-speed adjustment provides optimal control for detailed projects. The anti-vibration foot pad ensures stability, while dual grinding surfaces allow for versatile sharpening. Designed for precision and efficiency, it's perfect for sanding, polishing, and sharpening tasks. Available now at a 7% discount for just $43.98. Number 1, 7-Speed Mini Belt Sander for Wood Acrylic. The 7-Speed Mini Belt Sander is the ultimate DIY tool for wood and acrylic projects. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel, it's durable and efficient. The adjustable worktable angle adds versatility, while the silent motor with double bearings ensures smooth operation. With 7-speed control, this sander is ideal for precision work. Available for $50.32, with an additional discount code offering $2 off until January 31, 2025.